Go get some pants on. Hey, you guys. Ebony. Ebony's sick.
I wonder if they set the original the name right.
Come here, baby.
They said the name for Sad because it's like Spot only with the Z.
Ebony, get your big butt out of the way.
It's good I can't fight with you, you're too big.
Ebony. Ebony. No.
You want to be held, don't you?
Aw, go pet her, Brent.
Ebony acts like she's scared of her, doesn't
I
she?
know.
That's what Amy said Zep was doing too.
Yeah, she likes that.
Well, she gets a little bit bigger, she won't catch you that game.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Real easy. And don't drop her. When you set her down, you got to set her all the way down. Good job. Blondie.
Oh, you can call him. What's your dad's one? Rowdy? What up? What's the other one?
Susie.
Go on the other side, Brent, so I can see the puppy, too.
No, Sherry.
Sit on the other side of her.
I don't know, somehow by Sherry it kind of take out.
You don't like Blondie or what?
Huh? We can name it Dad.
Call it Dagwood, I guess.
She wants you to pet. It's a boy. It's a girl. She wants you to pet
What was the
her.
girl's name? What was her daughter's name like?
They had a boy.
They had a girl.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, I will kiss the
They called her Baby or something.
I give her. I always kiss the
I think we can
cat.
name her Ivory. Ebony and Ivory.
Lay down by her, Brent.
I
No.
forgot how big ears they had. They had big ears.
Yeah.
She can step on it.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, pussy.
She's going, man.
Mommy, I'm a race cat.
Bring me back over here, Evan. What's that?
No, Brett, that's scaring her pushing it in front of her face.
Aww. I bet if you lay down, Brent, she'd lay by you.
Down too.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Just lay there. Heather.
Yeah, just lay there.
Kitty.
Where'd she? Meow. Meow. Just let her come over. Let her.
Stretch it out.
It's like, what is it? Be real still, Brent. Let's see what Sherry does. Hi, Heather. Let me just sniff your hand first. Look at the dog. What is that?
Ebony outside.
Yeah.
Very close gate.
Yeah. She smells them puppies on you too, Heather.
Good dog.
Dog's sleeping, yeah. Let her go. She's tired. She's had a busy day. Where'd Sherry go? Meow.
She's got a night grandma's on. She'll get to see a new puppy.
Meow.
See her tomorrow.
Meow.
Keep on petting her. It feels like, you don't like candy. Wait, okay.
Where's Sherry?
Meow.
Here, Sherry.
Sorry.
That's okay. Why did you get fourth on that? That isn't okay.
Is that okay?
Well, you may get one.
Are you feeling better?
No. But I will.
She wants to go over there, but she's not sure yet.
Daddy is
Yes.
Daddy is this Friday.
No, today's Sunday.
Well,
I hope you're better before Friday.
So what's this mutt's
5
name?
days away.
Have we decided?
Friday. I will
What's this mutt's name? Have we decided?
I don't know. What do you think we should name it?
Blondie's fine.
Blondie, yeah. What do you think, Brent? You like Blondie?
Is that a good name for
No,
the puppy?
I like Sherry again.
Oh, we can't
Sherry
name.
again.
Let's name her.
Then we'll have too many Sherrys.
Just tell me, Mom.
How about Blondie?
No, not tell me.
Ralphie?
Yeah.
No. That's a boy's name.
Girl.
She's a girl doggy.
How about Eloise?
What?
Eloise.
Blondie?
No.
You like Blondie?
How about Louise?
Yeah.
Thelma and Louise?
How about Alma?
Yeah, as if.
Should we name it Blondie or Ivory, Brent?
What's
Ivory would be good.
Ivy.
Huh?
Ivy.
Ivy.